Hi, I'm Logan, and today we'll be going over the study cycle evaluation sheet. So for the first question, it says, what do you do before class in order to prepare for the lecture and explain? So I usually complete homework assignments, complete study guides, and I do readings before class and usually outline the readings as I go. Um, for the next question, it is, do you regularly attend each class session in its entirety? And yes, I'm typically in attendance for both class sessions every week. It is a class that happens on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I am usually there for both sessions. I It is asking, how do I participate during the class session? And I participate by taking class quizzes on our clickers, as well as asking questions during lectures, and working with groups to accomplish a common goal usually. It says, how do you review course content after the class session and explain? I usually review what happened in class through the homework assignments that we have, as well as the readings we've done in class, study notes, or I can also study by using previous tests and quizzes. That's been very helpful to me in the past, so those would be what I use to review course material. And how would I define studying? For me, studying is just reviewing and overlooking notes and class materials so that you fully know and understand the content of the lesson that you were taught in class. So that way you can kind of reproduce it when you are tested on it later in the class. So what does studying look like for me? For this course in particularly, I studied for my first exam previously by completing the study guide in its entirety and then looking it over multiple times and making sure that I fully knew all of the content that was on the study guide, as well as just kind of reading through the textbook and looking through previous lecture assignments and previous class notes and things that I had for the test. How do I know if my study habits are effective for the course? I can usually tell if my study habits are effective once I'm actually given the test. Because if the test contains similar material to what I studied and what I looked over the night before, then I know that I did pretty well and that I am able to kind of regurgitate what I learned the night before onto the test if it is the exact same information. If I can go through a study guide, practice quiz, or lecture assignment and answer all of the questions effortlessly with little thinking, then I think that shows that I've fully understood the course material. And that's the last question. So, yeah, that is my video.